This massive collaboration comes at a time when the PPPC government is making investments to double rice production over the next 5 years. The ongoing project aims to curb hunger and mitigate nutrient deficiencies in the Americas as a component of the Council for Trade and Economic Development approved project for production, adoption, and consumption of bio-fortified crops as part of a strategy to address non-communicable diseases in CARICOM. Minister of Agriculture, Zulfikar Mustapha, is optimistic that the field which is being tested would eventually become a successful rice variety for the nation and would be an additional component to the government's goal to realize Guyana's agriculture potential in the region.
This here, as long as we can develop it, as long as we can produce a candidate variety for farmers to produce in our country, this have real benefit. It has both economic benefit and health benefit. This rice here is what you call it, the bio-fortified rice. It has zinc in it, that we grow in the zinc now in the field rather than to put it artificially into the produce. So this will help a lot of people because right now with the pandemic, we are being advised by the health specialists to use zinc.
The minister said once the testing trial is completed and the variety has been approved for release to other countries, Guyana would be able to have preferential prices for the produce.
It's good for us. I am happy that we are here this afternoon. I am hope that in the other trial that I have confidence in Dr. Mahendra and his team to develop this into a candidate variety where we can have farmers right across the country to start use this, to start plant this, and we can make it a variety where we can export.
Some 4,650 farmers countrywide and another 50,000 in CARICOM are expected to benefit from this project. The IICA has said a study to understand the possible effects of zinc biofortification on multiple risk factors for type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease showed that low-dose zinc supplementation, as in consuming zinc biofortified rice, significantly improved risk factors for type 2 diabetes compared with placebo. This effect was greater than a high-dose supplementation for both outcomes. The agency also said for cardiovascular disease risk factors, low-dose zinc supplementation also had a significant positive effect, lowering triglycerides, total cholesterol, and low-density lipoprotein cholesterol. The magnitude of the effect was again greater with low-dose supplementation than a high dosage, as zinc biofortified foods have been found to have an impact on addressing non-communicable diseases. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Danica Paul.